Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Animal Crossing New Horizons, and this is going to be a short video of Animal Crossing New Horizons gameplay. Today's bug off, and yeah, I need to do some more bug off soon so I can collect more points and get more bug items. So, oh yeah, and also today is Marina's birthday, the octopus. Yeah, she looks so beautiful. You know, when I downloaded the app Animal Crossing New Horizons guide, I remember they have the birthday furniture, like a birthday table, birthday cake, happy birthday sign, birthday candles, and also the birthday hat too, and the birthday shades, the glasses. And, well, the birthday shades are the glasses. Well, speaking of that, let's give Marina a present. I got something really... Yeah, I got a birthday present for her. Sorry, I was playing on my Switch instead of on the TV. Yeah, I gave her the acoustic guitar, and it's also pink. I customized it with it. Well, yeah, she's gonna mail this present I gave to Marina until tomorrow. So yeah, I'm really happy that today's Marina's birthday right now. She's gonna stay on my island forever. Okay, y'all, so say happy birthday to Marina in the comments, and yeah, see you all in the next video. Later.